Rabbits might look cute, but they can be a real nuisance in gardens and yards. They love nibbling on tender plants, vegetables, and flowers, often leaving behind a trail of damage that can frustrate any gardener. There are several ways to keep rabbits away from your yard and plants. Physical barriers are one of the most reliable ways to keep rabbits out of your garden. Among these, fencing is particularly effective. A fence made of chicken wire or hardware cloth, standing 2 to 3 feet high, can prevent rabbits from hopping over and reaching your plants. This simple but sturdy barrier creates a clear boundary that rabbits cannot easily bypass, making it a long-term solution for protecting your yard and garden beds. Chili oil can be an effective, natural way to keep rabbits away from your garden and plants. Its strong, spicy scent and flavor can deter them from nibbling on your vegetation. To create a rabbit repellent spray, mix a few drops of chili oil with water in a spray bottle and apply it generously to the leaves and stems of plants you want to protect, as well as around the base of garden beds. The strong scent and spicy residue make the plants unappealing to rabbits, encouraging them to stay away. For best results, reapply the spray after rain or heavy watering to maintain a consistent protective barrier. Choosing the right plants can naturally reduce rabbit damage in your garden. Rabbits tend to avoid plants with strong scents or tough leaves, making herbs like lavender and rosemary good choices. Flowers such as marigolds are also less appealing to them. By planting rabbit-resistant varieties and protecting the more attractive plants, you can create a garden that is both beautiful and less inviting to rabbits. Motion-activated sprinklers are an effective and humane way to keep rabbits out of your garden. These devices detect movement and release a quick burst of water when an animal enters the area, startling rabbits and discouraging them from returning. The sudden spray does not harm the animals but creates an environment that feels unsafe and unpredictable to them. Placing these sprinklers near garden beds or entry points can protect your yard while requiring minimal effort, making them a practical solution for keeping rabbits at a distance. Rabbit repellent sprays are a convenient and non-harmful way to protect your garden from hungry rabbits. These sprays work by emitting scents or tastes that rabbits find unpleasant. By applying the spray directly to plants, garden beds, and surrounding areas, you make the vegetation less appealing and discourage rabbits from nibbling. With a little consistent effort, it's possible to enjoy a thriving, rabbit-free yard without harming the animals, while keeping both your plants and your peace of mind intact.